Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Salam, Salam Kebajikan, Namo Buddhaya. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Pepe Nopitasari. I'm from class MNJ 22B. In this video, I will discuss material regarding capital structure analysis. Definition. According to Jules G. Siegel and J. K. Sim, capital structure is the composition of ordinary shares, preferred shares and various other class, retainer earnings, and long-term debt maintained by a business entity in funding assets. So it can understood that capital structure is a description of the from of a company financial proportion, namely between the capital it has which comes from long-term liabilities and this own capital shareholders' equity, which is the source of financing for a company. According to Jones, the capital structure of company consists of long-term debt and shareholders' equity, where shareholder equity is from preferred stock and common equity itself consists of common stock and retainer earning. Division and capital structure policy. According to Martin, Petty et al., the definition of capital structure is simple capital structure, namely if the company only uses its own capital in its capital structure. Complex capital structure, namely the company not only uses its own capital, but also uses borrowed capital it's in capital structure. According to Subramaniam and John G. Will, it is emphasized that for company with a simple capital structure, 1% of earning per share is required, which is calculated as follows. Basic earnings per share together with net profit required, preferred dividends, shares, weight average of ordinary shares outstanding. Factor influencing capital structure. The factors that influence the capital structure are the form or characteristic of the business being run, the scope of the business operation activities being carried out, the characteristic of the management affiliate in the business organization, the characteristic policies and desires of the owner, the micro and macroeconomic conditions that apply in the country and abroad, which also influences company decision making. According to Bingham and Houston, capital structure policy involves a trade-off between risk and return. Using more debt will increase the risk borne by shareholders. The use of great debt will usually result in a higher expected rate of return on equity. Capital structure ratio. Debt to equity ratio, number of time interest in earned. Book value per share, total liabilities, share stockholder equity, income before tax and interest expense, shares interest expense, common stockholder equity, share number of common stock outstanding. Meaning of share or stock, bonds or bond, and right issue. Shares are a proof of ownership given as capital of funds its company, or a piece of paper that clearly states the nominal value, name of the company, and is followed by the rights an obligation explained to each holder. Bonds are securities that are sold to the public with various provisions that explain various things such as nominal value, interest rate, time period, and other that are explained in the law passed by the relevant institution. A right issue is giving exciting shareholder the right to pre-order the issue shares which will be sold at a certain nominal price. The company of liquidity on capital structure. Liquidity will show the company ability to meet its short-term obligation using the current asset owned by the company. The liquidity variable has an influence on decision-making regarding the company's capital structure, said Xuan Finfo, according to pecking order theory. Liquidity has a negative relationship pattern with capital structure. When the company liquidity is high, the company will use more internal funding and will decide to reduce the company long-term debt level, said Banovedier and Barua. H1. Liquidity has a negative effect on capital structure. The influence of business risk on capital structure. Company will try to reduce debt when business risk soar, said Juliantika and Dewi. Company with a high level of risk will reduce the use of external funds in order to protect the company from corporate bankruptcy that occurs due to the use the safe fund first. Then the company will use internal fund as maximally as possible to keep its business risk within limit safe. H2. Business risk has a negative effect on capital structure. The influence of asset structure on capital structure. The asset structure contains the company fixed asset and current asset. A high asset structure indicates that the company has sufficient wealth to pay off its obligation. So the company has a high level of trust from borrowers side, Farisa and Widati. Based on trade-off theory, the higher the value of taxed asset owned by a company, the higher the level of debt that the company can use because the higher the warrant the company can provide to leaders. H3. Asset structure has a positive effect on capital structure. The effect of profitability on capital structure. The greater the profit generated by the company, the profit retained by the company usually also follow, said Farisa and Widati. If the company use more retained earnings, the company use of long-term debt will also be increasingly reduced. This is in line with the pecking order theory, which states the company will prefer to use internal funding so that when the company has high profit, the company will reduce the use of external funding. H4. Profitability has a negative effect on capital structure. The influence on company size on capital structure. Company size describes the size of a company. The larger the company size, the greater the opportunity for the company to apply for a loan because it is considered to have a good reputation, said Juliantika and Dewi. This is in line with the trade-off theory where company size has a positive relationship with capital structure. Age 5. Company size has a positive effect on capital structure. Is there an influence of capital structure on company value? The result of the capital structure variable show a positive and significant influence on company value on customer goods sector company listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. This means that if the level of capital structure in a company increases, the value of the company also increases. I hope the part of the material that I can convey is useful. I end it with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, salam kebajikan, namo buddhaya.